to be more patient. Accept what you cannot change. Many situations in life require patience, and often there is absolutely nothing you can do about it. Perhaps you are waiting to hear back from the bank, or you are waiting to recover from an injury so you can get out and exercise again. These things essentially take time, and stressing about it does not help the situation or you. Recognize these moments and endeavor to accept them. Analyzing and overthinking them will only stress you out further. But if you accept that you cannot change the situation, you will be free to let your mind wander to more positive places. Consider employing a mantra in these scenarios, something like, "This is out of my control, so I'm going to do my best not to let it stress me out." Sometimes saying things out loud can help you effectively internalize them. Hi, my name is Victoria Bossa, and welcome to Victoria Bossa's How To, where I give you the basic skills to excel as a PR professional. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified when I upload a video. Today, I'm going to give you tips on how to be more patient. Practice being more patient. Patience is not something you would typically find listed as a positive quality on a resume. But there is no doubt that patient people tend to be more pleasant to be around, both in the workplace and in day-to-day life. It is also a skill that almost everyone could improve upon. According to Kelly Davis, the Director of Peer Advocacy, Supports and Services for Mental Health America, technology advances and constant reachability can deprive us of time to rest and reset. For instance, you feel the pressure of others being impatient with you, wanting you to immediately respond to things, and then you are also expecting people to immediately respond to your needs, regardless of whether it is not intentionally. It might sound simple, but practicing patience truly is a legitimate way to improve your patience. After all, how do you improve your skills in playing the piano? Of course, by practicing. Everyday life will no doubt provide you with ample opportunities to practice your patience, but if you would prefer to have more focus and control when practicing, try a few of these things. Read a difficult novel, such as War and Peace. Commit to cooking meals from scratch. Take public transport to work. Ban yourself from looking at your phone while waiting for appointments. Offer to babysit for a friend or family member. All of these tasks require patience. They force you to wait and push to remove expectations, which are keys to becoming more patient. Focus on why you are impatient. Focusing on the reason behind your impatience can help you shine a spotlight on your impatience. Do you detest waiting in a line at the supermarket because you are hungry and want to get home to eat? Or because you are running late for an event? From the slow, simmering frustration that builds with being on hold with a customer service representative for 30 minutes, to the quick snap at the waitress when she takes longer than usual to bring your order, chances are that everyone has wondered how to be more patient every now and then. Inspect the real reasons why you are feeling impatient. When you acknowledge those reasons, you may be better placed to take control over those feelings and stop stressing about them. Retrain or teach those who make you impatient. In some cases, your impatience will stem from someone else's incompetence, mistakes, or failure failure to follow procedure. This generally occurs at work, although impatience can also stem from partners, friends, children, or companies you employ for services. In these cases, the problem could be solved by you spending some time retraining or teaching those involved. Whether it is someone at work who makes regular mistakes repeatedly, or a housekeeping company that cleans your house incorrectly each week, these are issues you can improve with training. For example, if you are feeling impatient because your assistant at work keeps sending emails filled with errors, you can sit down with them to improve the situation. You could talk through the more common or embarrassing misspellings or help them install a better spell checker. It will take a time investment now, but should remove the cause behind your impatience in future. Know what triggers your impatience. If the light bulb in your bathroom blows one morning, it's probably going to be little more than a minor inconvenience in your day. If it blows for the 4th time in a month, you would have to be a holy person not to lose your patience. Most of us have common triggers that set off feelings of impatience, and they often come from recurring events. This could be anything from noisy neighbors every night to kids not tidying away their shoes after school. Recognizing these triggers can help you manage your impatient responses. You can either find ways to alleviate or avoid them, perhaps with a call to your local council or rewards to tidy children, or learn to accept that they will continue to occur and that you being impatient won't help in the slightest. Distract yourself. Many situations that demand patience simply require you to wait, such as a lengthy line at a restaurant. In these scenarios, there's nothing you can do to speed things up, but you can still fill that time productively, so distract yourself. For example, you can listen to a podcast, type out a quick email you have been meaning to write, beat the next level on Candy Crush, or complete your daily minutes by watching your favorite TV show. There are always ways to fill time that do not include simply fuming over the situation and feeling angry or negative. Have you got any tips, tricks, or strategies you would like to share with the channel? Get them in the comments below. And if you like what you've seen, please go ahead and subscribe. But until next time, I'll see you then. I'm Victoria Bossa.